My name is Alejandra. I got my veneers done, my top veneers with Dr. Antoun. I chose Dr. Antoun because, his work was amazing. Everything, his work looks so natural. The veneers look so real. I had this huge insecurity about my teeth because growing up, I broke them. So they were all different colors and shapes and stuff. And that's really why I just wanted my dream smile, and Dr. Antoun was able to give that to me. The process was super simple. I started online. I sent him pictures of my smile, and then he sent me a video stating what he recommended. It was super easy to set an appointment and come in. I love my smile. I was very, very surprised and emotional when I first saw my teeth because I had this insecurity for so many years. And even if you pull up my social media, you'll see all my old pictures. Oh, I deleted them, but I didn't smile. I would just smile like that, all awkward. But now I show my teeth all the time. I smile with confidence now, and I don't hide my teeth anymore when I laugh or anything like that. Dr. Antoun is definitely patient. Dr. Antoun and his staff, they're so sweet and they make you feel super, super comfortable. The first time I saw my brand new teeth, I was in shock because I couldn't believe. I think I even asked Dr. Antoun, are those mine? Are those my teeth? So shocked, surprised, and very happy, overwhelming. I was willing to drive 6.5 hours for the perfect smile. And there was no other option for me down there. No one that matched his work or did better than his, because I did a lot of research on this for a couple of years. So there was no dentist near me that could provide the work that I was looking for.